Kyuss Gardenia in this one, and you're going to have to tune your guitar down 2 steps to C standard. So you should have something like this. Like that. I'm using neck pickup, okay? And I'm also using a pedal by Licklim Audio from Germany, so forgive my pronunciation. Alter, which sounds like this. And there's also a little boost. If I turn it off and later on in the tune, it's just a little clean boost that adds that sort of stuff for later on in the tune. So on with the first riff. The first part of this is understanding where the 1 is, the first beat of the bar. The actual phrase comes in just before the first beat. So you're going to play up, down, up. And I'm holding the 17th fret there and the open string, okay? And that's the 1. And around you go again, right? So if you ignore the first bit and just start with this. So you're just starting like this. 2, 3, 4. 1. Like that, okay? Slowly with the gain on, we have this. 3, 4. All right, I'm not going to labour this too much, but all you're going to do is hammer on 17 to 19. And then you do this. You do a little... You do that, right? But all the way through, the E note gets involved as well, right? To give it that huge sort of tone. So it's just 3 of those bends. Again, slowly. I'm going to ignore the low string, okay? And we're going to play... That's all you're playing. That should be enough for you to nail that part. You're going to play that 7 times round, and then on the 8th time you play... You just hang on the 19th fret. Because you need to get down here for these power chords, right? Or 5th chords if you don't want to do the full power chord. I've just tabbed 5th chords. And you're going to play this. You play that, right? Slide 7 to 8. Let's go back again. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Second time. You come in and play 7 of those on the 10th fret, right? So down, down, up, down, down, up to the 10th fret, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right, then into that again. 2 bars of that, and then... Then you got this fill. Just 10th to 12th on the 5th string. Then you do some double stops up here on the 12th fret, 3rd and 4th string. You could actually play power chords here if you wanted to. So you'd have 3, 4, 3, 4. Play the same thing again, right? And then you're in again. This time you're going to do this 3 times. There's a few fills, so 3 times of this. 4th time. simple little fill. And then you're into the verse, right? So the singing comes in here. Again, 3 of these. 4th time. Lots of vibrato on those last notes as well. Round this again. And then you're going to do this fill. And you slide down there. Again, slowly. Another little fill. Okay, slowly. Bend there on the 14th fret, okay? Lots of little noodly bits in this. So again, we're still in the chorus bit. This part again. Slight difference there is that's the same, but then you play 3, 4. That's a full step bend on the 12th fret there. Next up, there's one before the verse. And then you repeat that again, but the second verse starts then. Next fill is cool, hangs over into the next bar. So we have that first, then so it comes in like that, okay? Again, round it slowly. Pick it up again like that. One more time around with another fill. This time it's... So you play this 3 times. That little phrase. And then you play... that. Back into the chorus. Another fill. Oops, and then a bend. So in again. Here though, there's a lead part which comes in. I think there's a wah and some other effects going on there as well. So you've got this, 3, 4. Okay, and then... So, slowly, 3, 4... You could play it here. Or, you know... like that, but I like it here. Gives you a nicer run to the slide. So you slide into the 17th fret the first time, 20th fret, 21st, and to speed, 3, 4. Then we're into a kind of middle section where we play 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You do that 4 times. On the 4th time, it does actually go up here. And you're kind of playing on the 2nd and 4th beats, I think. So it's 3, 4. And it goes to a slightly cleaner tone. There's a lot of wah and delays and all sorts of like noises and stuff. So just have fun with that. And then you've got some palm muting going on. I think he goes to the 12th fret here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. Palm muting, lightly palm muted. After 4 of those, it branches off into this. So you do 2 beats, then you play this. Alright, so it's... And you're going to palm mute that open 6th string, right? So slowly. Okay, and then the second bar goes... You just add in an open string, right? 4 times around that whole phrase, okay? And then it just goes into... Does that for 2 bars, and then distortion back on, and then you've got this. So it's building up now into the last chorus, which is obviously this. Another fill. Got that going on. That's what you're doing. But I think there's 2 guitar parts played. And then again. And you got this part again. That stuff, you already know that. Then we've just got the outro, which is 2 riffs. The first one goes something like this. I think that's what it's doing. It's palm muted. Maybe a bit of vibrato on those last 2. So we have 5, 7, 5, 7, 10, 10. Like that, and then the outro just goes. And that's just fading out. And that is it. All you need. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.